Samsung fans who've been eagerly waiting for the next big flagship might need to wait longer than expected. According to multiple reports, the Galaxy S26 series has officially been delayed. The new lineup, which was supposed to launch early next year, won't be arriving on schedule, and there are several possible reasons behind this unexpected decision. Sources reveal that Samsung has postponed the Galaxy S26 lineup as part of a broader strategy to reorganize its flagship models. The company is reportedly facing production challenges and needs additional time to manufacture enough units before the global rollout. This delay might also be linked to Samsung's decision to cancel one of its models, the Galaxy S26 Edge. The Galaxy S26 Edge was meant to follow up on last year's S25 Edge, but the response to its redesign wasn't exactly positive. Reports suggest that Samsung decided to scrap the model altogether rather than risk another underperforming variant. This move has left the company adjusting its lineup, focusing on making the remaining models stronger and more polished before launch. Another key reason behind the delay could be Samsung's new processor strategy. The company plans to use its in-house 2 nanometers Exynos 2600 chip in the Galaxy S26 series, including the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is the first time in 4 years that the Ultra model will feature an Exynos chip instead of Snapdragon in certain markets. It's a big step for Samsung, as it aims to regain control over performance, efficiency, and supply chain management. However, producing the new 2 nanometers chip in large quantities is no small task. The Exynos 2600 represents a major technological leap, and Samsung reportedly needs more time to ensure the chip meets both quality and quantity requirements. Rushing production could lead to performance inconsistencies, something Samsung clearly wants to avoid after previous chip-related controversies, according to reports from trusted leakers. The new launch window for the Galaxy S26 series is now expected to be March 2026, instead of the usual January timeframe. This means a delay of roughly 2 months compared to the Galaxy S25 lineup, which debuted earlier this year. While a 2-month delay might not seem too long, it does shake up Samsung's release cycle. For years, Samsung has used the early year flagship launch to set the tone for the smartphone market. Pushing the release to March means the Galaxy S26 could launch closer to other major devices, including potential mid-year iPhones or new foldables from competitors. Speaking of Apple, there's another interesting twist. Rumors suggest that Apple might bring forward its iPhone 18 launch schedule. If that happens, the base iPhone 18 models could actually arrive before Samsung's Galaxy S26 series, a rare reversal of the usual release pattern. That could put extra pressure on Samsung, especially in regions where the two brands directly compete. This delay might also have a ripple effect across Samsung's entire product roadmap. If the Galaxy S26 is coming later than planned, other devices could follow the same pattern. Reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung's next-generation foldables, might also face delays. These foldables are usually released in the second half of the year, but with the new schedule, they could launch closer to the rumored foldable iPhone, making the competition even tighter. Despite the disappointment of a delay, many analysts believe this move could be beneficial in the long run. Samsung appears to be prioritizing quality and innovation over rushing to meet a deadline, integrating a new 2 nanometers chip, restructuring the lineup, and ensuring enough supply could lead to a more refined and reliable final product. It's also worth noting that Samsung's shift toward its Exynos platform could redefine the Galaxy experience. If the Exynos 2600 truly delivers the performance leap that early reports suggest, users might experience faster processing speeds, improved power efficiency, and better AI integration across the S26 lineup. So, while fans may have to wait until March for the Galaxy S26, the extended timeline could pay off. A more powerful, optimized device with stronger in-house technology might be worth the delay. In the end, Samsung's goal seems clear: to release a flagship series that feels next generation, not just another yearly refresh. If the extra time helps achieve that, most users will likely forgive the wait. The Galaxy S26 may arrive later than expected, but it's shaping up to be one of the most important launches in Samsung's history, a series that could mark the beginning of a new era powered by Samsung's own silicon.